What's new in FloorPlan 2026?
To get assistance with your design questions, first open the Copilot and select Home Design Help from the drop-down menu. Next, enter any home design-related text prompt based on the information or guidance you need, and then click Submit. Within a few seconds, the Copilot analyzes your request and generates a detailed response tailored to your prompt. You can continue asking different questions using different prompts to receive guidance on a variety of home design topics. Home Design Help is an AI-powered assistant designed to support users throughout the home design process. Simply describe what you need in natural language, and the Copilot will provide clear and relevant recommendations. Whether you're looking for ideas to modernize a living room, redesign a kitchen or bathroom, enhance an outdoor living area, improve a garden bed, or choose suitable materials and finishes, Home Design Help provides practical suggestions based on your requirements. It can also recommend color palettes, furniture, lighting, space planning, and design styles. In addition, Home Design Help allows you to refine your prompts and explore different design possibilities. This makes it easier to compare ideas and choose the solution that best matches your vision. Overall, Home Design Help simplifies the design workflow by delivering fast, intelligent, and context-aware recommendations. It helps users save time, explore new ideas, and make more confident design decisions, all within the application.
Thanks for watching.